Using Vernier LabQuest 2, measuring lung volumes and capacities. You have your machine, the LabQuest 2, you turn this on, and also take out the stylus from the back that you are going to use for the screen. Have your spirometer ready. Place the white filter at the inlet part of your spirometer, and also place the paper tube at the front that you are going to blow into here, into this paper cylinder, tube. Good. And attach the sensor to the vernier, to the analog section. This is the analog section here. So we have the flow rate. Now go to the sensor menu, and you can go to data collection. Data collection tells you that how long the machine is going to measure your data. How about I just change it actually to 10 seconds only, the duration. For you guys, I encourage you to have it for 20 seconds. So it's okay. It says 25 samples is going to be collected by the vernier probe every second. So it's a pretty frequent collection. The second one, what you have to do is zero the sensor. So you go again to the sensor tab and go 0. You don't have to calibrate. You just do 0. The spirometer, you click on spirometer, it's pretty 0. So when you want to just measure, here is at the left bottom a green arrow, and you are going to press that, and you start to blow into the spirometer, into the paper tube. So how about we start? Okay, very good. Now, let's go and analyze the data. Now, this shows us only the flow rate. What we need is also the volume capacity. So, show graph. If I press on graph 2, it tells me the volume, the lung volume. If I press on show graph, both of them, all graphs, I will see the flow rate as well as the volume. How about we just go back to the volume, because we don't really mind the flow rate at this time. So you might see a slight trend of drifting, so we will adjust that. Go to the analyze, and analyze. At the bottom you see the advanced tab. You click on it, and it says baseline adjustment. Please tap on it and tap the volume, and the adjustment line to move this graph, for me it's a little bit, it needs to go up a little bit to be on the x-axis. So I'm going to press this a little bit. Oh, actually the other one. Okay, it's a little bit once more, and it's pretty straight or a little bit down. So it's pretty much, the crests are at the same, they have almost the same y value on the y-axis, as well as the troughs of my curves. So I just press OK, and I'm going to analyze the data. Analyze, so statistics, it's not checked in, and that's good. You put your stylus at one of the troughs, and you pull it to the right, where your little black circle will touch the bottom, the trough of the graph, and you press on analyze, go statistics, click on the value, the volume, and it gives me a bunch of statistics values at 4.76 second. The minimum value was this one, pretty much 1.156 minus 1.156 liters. and the maximum volume was at this range at 3.32 seconds. Mean value, standard deviation samples, it was gathered 39 samples at that time. For what we are looking for is the delta Y, that is the volume that I exhaled out from my lungs. So that's what you need to record for your lung capacity. So happy measuring, and that's it. How you have to use the LabQuest too with the spirometer.